Have you ever spoken English confidently and later felt something sounded wrong? You're not alone. Even educated Indians with degrees make small English mistakes. So, this video is for you on how to improve English speaking skills by avoiding these 5 common mistakes. Welcome to Pyramid English Academy, and I am Sridipa. And this channel is about using English for professional growth, global opportunities, and building confidence for interviews, IELTS scores. So today I will show you the most common mistakes and how to fix them clearly. Let's get started with the mistake number 1. We often say, I am having two brothers. It's a very common mistake most Indians do because we try to translate it from Hindi. But it should be, I have two brothers. Why? Because have is a possession. Having is a continuous action, and most Indians misuse it without knowing the correct explanation. Have. Have implies possession, ownership, or relationship. As I have two brothers, which is a permanent fact. This is not changing by time, but having implies a continuous action, which is temporary or ongoing activity, as I am having lunch and this action is happening now, as lunch is just for 30 minutes and not a permanent action. And we do not use continuous tense with possession in standard English, as subject plus am is are, those are be verbs plus verb plus ing, and we will talk about it in another video. So learners think about adding ing makes sentence sound more correct or formal, which is a mistake. So let's discuss the key rule to remember. As I have a car and it's a possession. She has three cousins. It's a relationship. He has blue eyes, which is a permanent fact. Use having for as I am having lunch, which is a temporary action for 30 minutes. He is having a meeting again, which is an ongoing activity जो कुछ time बाद नहीं होगा. So let's moving on to mistake number 2. We often say, I didn't went. I don't know why, but this is a very common mistake and जो अक्सर सुनने को मिलता है, and this can lower your marks on interviews, right? So you should say, I didn't go. Why? Because after did, verb stays in base form. Remember, as did already shows past tense and went is the past form of go. And if you use went to after this, the sentence has double past words. You should use one past form, and that should be the past form of the auxiliary verb, which is do. Let's have two or three examples as instead of saying we didn't received the update in office, we should say we didn't receive the update because didn't and received are same, the past forms coming together in the same sentence. Same goes for this sentence as people mistake saying signed the contract yet. But the correct sentence is they didn't sign the contract yet. And this small correction can make a huge change in your speaking skill. Let's talk about mistake number 3. We often say on meetings or while talking to our colleagues, discuss about the topic, which is again a huge mistake. Stop using about. You should correct it by saying discuss the topic. Discuss already means talk about something or talking about something. So adding about is unnecessary and grammatically incorrect because discuss already includes about. Discuss means talking about. So discuss about, talk about, double preposition, and double preposition doesn't come together. Same as often we say order for food, and Indians learners often believe verb plus about meaning more completeness or more correct, but you are doing a mistake. Order food. You should not use for here. Order does not need for the preposition, but some English verbs do not need prepositions. Coming to mistake number 4. While introducing yourself to interviews, we start as myself this or myself that as myself Shridipa. No, stop doing it. Just formally say I am and your full name as I am Shridipa, because myself is a reflexive pronoun, as himself, ourselves, and pronoun indicates a noun always, and a proper sentence should have a verb. So, myself Sridipa or myself your name has no verb and no proper structure, and this is grammatically incomplete. And while introducing yourself, you should not start like this. Wrong uses in interviews can reduce your professionalism. So make sure you introduce yourself as I am and your name. Mistake number 5. Revert back. We often say when the question is about to reply to our emails or anything like that, correct yourself now and only use reply or revert, because reply and revert already means return or going back to a previous state. So revert back means return back, which is a double meaning. This is redundant, just like return back, repeat again. You should not use such words together. And if you were doing these mistakes, then stop yourself right now and start correcting yourself and start learning. Simple. And these small grammar mistakes don't mean your English is bad or you are failing. They just mean your foundation needs clarity and correction. And always remember one thing: English speaking is not a talent, English is a skill. So keep learning, speaking, and keep correcting your English speaking skill. And if this helped you, comment I will improve my English, and subscribe this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. In the next video, I will show you how to answer tell me about yourself confidently in English. And bye.